Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you a simple home remedy you should use. Simple home made beauty tips to rejuvenate your skin, to get glowing skin, and get that skin popping and looking all nice. So today we'll be using our blue sea Vaseline. I recommend this Vaseline a lot. It's super good and it helps to soften and glow your skin. So you can get this Vaseline from your local store, your market, anywhere around you. And should the case you don't know where to get it, I can leave a link down below for you all to get it. Okay, so I'll be using the extra virgin oil. Also, this is very important for your skin to give you glowing and nice skin. Then of course your lemon, using a lemon. So let's dive right into the video and see how to make this wonderful and superb recipe. Okay, so you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of your Vaseline. 1, as you can see, 2. Okay guys, after that we're going to be measuring 2 tablespoons of your extra virgin Goya oil. So you just want to mix this stuff well. You want to mix it well to get a homogeneous mixture. Make sure it's well infused into it. Make sure the Vaseline is infused into the oil, and everything is looking so sleek and yummy. But don't eat this though. It's not advisable. It's not for your stomach. It's not to be eaten. It's to use on the skin, to apply on the body, to get that glowing skin. Okay, so this is it. After getting this paste, so I'm going to be pouring in egg yolk. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and give you that glowing skin. So you want to mix well too. Mix it very well to get an even mixture. Even mixture, an homogeneous mixture, to make it all even. It looks so, so good, right? I know, so good, so good. So what next? We're almost there. This is the last recipe we'll be using, which is the lemon. So you need to cut your lemon into 2. Squeezing the lemon. I'll be using my sieve here to squeeze in the lemon. I'll be using the sieve over here to squeeze in the lemon because of the seeds. I don't want the seeds to get into it. Okay, so you squeezing, as you can see, it's going in. I feel like this lemon juice does not have much water, so bear with me. Hopefully when you get yours, you buy the one that have much water in it. Okay, this one is doing great. So squeezing, let's see. As you can see, lots of juice. So you just want to stir together. This lemon juice is for those of you that want to tone your skin a little bit, to get that glowing skin, to lighten up your color shade, to get you a little bit fairer. So this is why you use this. So if that's a dark skin, I don't want to change your color tone, can just stick with just the olive oil and Vaseline and apply on skin morning and night, twice daily for 14 days, and you will see a lot of effects, a lot of you get to see lots and lots of changes in your skin tone. So this is what it looks like. Just take a little portion of this and you apply on your face. I'm using my palm as an illustration. What you got to do, just apply on your skin like this. Get to massage on your face. Just apply it morning and night. Apply it for 15 minutes before you take your bath and you wash off. Same thing at night. So when you wake up in the night, you just take it, you apply on your face, on your skin for 10-15 minutes before you wash off with warm water and take your bath. Do this process regularly for 14 days, and I promise you notice that glow, that baby skin glow in your body. Okay, so this is basically all. Thanks for watching this video to the very end with me. Make sure you subscribe to see more of my videos. Okay, so bye guys. Hey guys, as you can see, I applied mine already. So this is how you apply it. You apply it on your face, yeah, and it's gonna give you that glowing skin. Also, you can refrigerate it, yeah. Should the case the one you made hasn't finished yet, you can just pack it up in a container, put it in your fridge, and use it the following day. So it's that easy. Use it to moisturize your skin and get that glowing skin. I can feel myself already, you know. Oh, it feels so good. Like I'm already seeing myself glowing. So guys, that's all you need to know. Okay.